Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing Glossybox Christmas limited edition beauty box, and I'm really excited about this one because there are some amazing makeup brands inside which I'm so excited about. So yeah, let's just go ahead and we'll get started. So this is what the box looks like right here. Really pretty packaging, the same as the advent calendar, and it says it's the season to be glossy on the front. There's a magazine inside which tells you all about the products inside, and there is a good mixture of beauty products in here, and there is 11 in total. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the thing that I'm most excited about. Well, it's one of a few things that I'm really excited about, and it is this palette here from HUDA Beauty. This is her Warm Brown Obsessions palette. Now these palettes are really nice. I have like the mauve one already and I love it, and this one just looks like my type of shades. So that's what it looks like inside there. Like, how gorgeous are those shades? They're very kind of warm, rich brown shades. They're all mattes in the palette, but this one in the middle here, which is like a shimmery metallic, and I'm just really loving the shades in here. It's a great palette for this time of the year. Like these warm shades are just definitely like appropriate for the Christmas time and that. I really love the formula of Huda's Obsessions palette. I think they're really good, and yeah, let me know if you would like to see a little tutorial using this, because like these are definitely my types of shades to wear, and yeah, I would love to do a tutorial with it. So that palette is a full size palette because they are like little mini palettes, but obviously it's a full size product and it is worth £25, and yeah, really obsessed with this. Okay, so the next product I'm so dying to try is this from NARS. This is their Orgasm blush. Now I've wanted this blush for a long time because I've heard so many amazing things about this blush, and actually I have a dupe for this blush. Well, I've been told it is a dupe for this blush. It's from Sleek. It's their rose gold blush. Yeah, the rose gold blush. And it's apparently a dupe for this, so I don't actually know if it is, because I haven't obviously tried the original NARS Orgasm. So now I can see, you know, if it is a dupe. I can swatch them side by side now, or try them on my cheeks really. But yeah, this is a little blush here. I'm going to take this little packaging bit off. That's the shade right there, and it does have some gold shimmery pigments in it, if you can see that. I'm going to give it a little swatch on the back of my hand and see. Oh yeah, that looks very similar to the Sleek one. Oh, that's very pretty. Like, I love the gold flakes in it there. Really nice. And even though it hasn't these gold shimmery flecks in it, like, it's not too shimmery. Yeah, it's more like a kind of sheen, I think. Yeah, very excited to try this on my cheeks now, and I'm also really excited to try it alongside the one from Sleek, and then I'll be able to tell if it is actually a dupe. Love the package for this, super sweet, and this is actually a little deluxe mini which is worth £18, and the full size is £25. Okay, so the next thing I'm so excited to try is this from Laura Mercier. This is her loose translucent powder. Now I've heard so many amazing things about this powder, and yeah, like, I've always wanted to try it. It's just like a really expensive powder that I haven't really, you know, gotten around to picking up yet. So I'm so happy it's in here now. I can give it a try. Like, yeah, so it's a little mini, as you can see, like a little deluxe mini. Now let me just read a little bit about this in case you don't know about this. Like, I doubt you don't know about this, but I will just read about it. It says, this iconic setting powder will ensure your makeup looks flawless at your Christmas and New Year party. It says its soft and silky formula not only sets your makeup for up to 12 hours, but it is infused with pearl pigments that adds a natural luminous finish. So yeah, like, so excited about this. Like, everybody uses this and I just haven't got around to trying it out, and yeah, very happy about this. It is a translucent powder, so it's going to be great for many skin tones, like every skin tone, should I say, every skin tone. And like I said, that is a deluxe mini which is worth £3.62, but the full size is £30. Next thing we get is this here from bareMinerals. This is their Complexion Rescue Defense, and it's a radiant tinted moisturizer. So I'm looking forward to giving this a go. It's in the shade Soft Radiance, and that's what it looks like right there. Heard a lot of people like this, and I do love bareMinerals. It's a vegan moisturizer which is infused with mineral SPF 30. You can apply it every morning to hydrate and even out your skin tone, and also shields your skin and your complexion from blue light and pollution. Yep. So this is a deluxe mini, which is £9.10. The full size is £35. So really looking forward to giving this a go. I have heard that a lot of people like that. Okay, so next thing in the box is going to come in really handy for me, and it is this brush here from Luxie. This is their 239 Precision Shader Brush. So yeah, can never have too many makeup brushes, so it's going to come in really handy. This will be great for packing colour onto the lid or even into the crease, or even like the lower lash line really. But yeah, looks like a really great brush, nice and soft. You'll get one of two Luxie brushes. You either get this one here, which is the Precision Shader, or you'll get a blending brush. So whatever one you get, like, they'll just be as good as each other, I think. Like, that's the two of them right there. And that brush is £14. Okay, next thing in the box I'm looking forward to trying is this mascara here from Spectrum. This is their new mascara, I believe. It's from their Zodiac collection. It's the Dark Matter Black Mascara. So let me take it and show you. So that's what it looks like right there. Nice glossy packaging with some gold writing. Now, should I open this? I think I've ran out of the mascara that I'm using just now, so should I try this one next? I probably try this mascara next. I haven't tried any makeup from Spectrum. Do I have the brushes now? I don't think I have the brushes either. Like, I didn't actually know they'd done much makeup. So it's going to be interesting to see how this one, how this goes. I mean, and yeah, it says it's a brand new release, obviously, from the much loved makeup brush brand Spectrum Cosmetics. This mascara is sure to be a hit. Sweep it from the roots to the tips of your lashes to make them look longer, curlier and more voluminous. Okay, so I'm liking the sound of voluminous and longer. And I hope it's really kind of like jet black. So I think I will try this mascara next, actually, because I ran out of the one that I'm using right now, which is my absolute favourite, Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I need to get another one of them ASAP. But anyway, that mascara is worth £12.99. Now the next thing we get is this little perfume here from the brand Rituals. Now I didn't actually know they'd done fragrances. Like, obviously I have a bunch of their skincare stuff, but I haven't like tried any perfume from them. So this is a great little bottle because, as you can see, hang on, take this sticker off there. It is like a little spray bottle, which is great, so I'm loving that. This is the scent Nude Marrakesh, which is that maybe like a night in Marrakesh or dark in Marrakesh, probably night in Marrakesh. So yeah, a really cute little bottle. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on my wrist just now. Now this smells really nice. It's very fresh, but I think it smells more like an aftershave for a guy than it does like a woman's like perfume. No, it's a really nice scent. Like, I do like the scent, it is nice. It's just, it reminds me more of like a kind of aftershave or like a man's fragrance. However, like men's fragrances are really nice actually, but anyway, that's what it reminds me more of. But it says it is a soft floral perfume with a blend of subtle saffron and mimosa flowers and cedarwood. So yeah, like, I can smell like the cedarwood. That's probably what maybe reminds me a little bit more of kind of like a man's kind of scent. But yeah, it says floral. Yeah, like it's a little, yeah, I think it's floral, but it also feels quite kind of like spicy as well. Yeah, but it also has a little hint of like a Parma Violet smell. Like I don't know if I'm getting that right, but I think it does smell a bit like Parma Violets. But anyway, it is a nice scent. It's a very kind of fresh scent, so I do like that. And I love the little bottle. It's super cute, and I love that it's obviously like a little spray. And this is a travel size, a 10 ml travel size, which is worth £9.90. The full size is worth £39.90. So yeah, really cute. Okay, the next thing I'm really looking forward to using this Christmas time is this Yankee candle here. This is the Christmas Magic one. So, oh, it smells so strong. Like, oh, it's really nice. Though it's kind of like, I would say like berries and cinnamon. Like, yeah, very, very strong, very Christmas scented actually. So let me read a little bit about this to see if I get the scents right. Oh, you get one of 4 different Yankee candles. So you will get the Red Apple Wreath, Christmas Eve, oh that would have been nice, Christmas Cookie, like I love the Christmas Cookie one actually from Yankee, and also this one here, which is the Christmas Magic one. It's a really nice scent. I can't wait to burn it. Actually probably tonight, to be honest, because it's absolutely freezing here. As you guys know, like the weather here is like unreal right now. But yeah, so I'm going to be burning this tonight. It's really, really strong scented, like when you just smell it like that. And that Yankee candles are very strong when you burn them, so super duper excited about that. And this is obviously a full size, but it's like the kind of small jar from Yankee, which is worth £8.99. Okay, so the next thing we get is this from the brand eCooking. This is a moisturising mask. It's an intensive moisture boost mask. Now let me see what it says about this. It's a deluxe mini, and it says, during the long, cold and blustery winter, a deeply hydrating face mask is a must, blending organic and natural ingredients including shea butter, sunflower oil, hyaluronic acid, glycerine and vitamin E. It will instantly hydrate your skin. Apply it for 10 minutes to replenish and restore complexion with an extra boost of hydration. Yeah, this will be really great for this time of the year, and it is a deluxe mini like I said, which is a 15 ml worth £9.60. The full size is a 50 ml, which is £32. The next thing is a hair product from Kingsley. This is the Body Building Conditioner, which is for fine, limp or flyaway hair types. So I don't know if I can really use this much, because it does say it's for fine hair and I have really thick hair. It's not super duper flyaway or limp, so like it is a little bit, like it needs sometimes a boost, you know, with the roots, things like that, to make it a little bit more, to get a bit more volume in it. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's fine and limp, but that is what we get. And let me just read a little bit about this. It says, give your hair the makeover it deserves this festive season, ideal for fine and limp locks. This bodybuilding conditioner boosts a hydrating formula that will leave your hair looking fuller, thicker and shinier, and better yet, it tames flyaways and detangles as well. It's a full size product and it is worth £10.50. Okay, next is a little hand cream from the brand Crabtree and Evelyn. Love the name of that. This is the Evelyn Rose Satin Hand Cream. Super cute packaging, nice and pinky mauvey. And it says here, keep your hands feeling soft as satin with this luxurious hand cream, formulated with skin softening coconut oil, aloe vera and mallow flower extract. It smooths and hydrates dry skin. It also blends nourishing rose hip seed oil with rebalancing rose water, creating a gorgeous floral scent. So yeah, this is a deluxe mini, which is 25 ml, worth £9. The full size is £20.50. Now guys, that's everything that we get inside this year's Glossybox Christmas limited edition beauty box. And I think it's a really great box. Like, I'm loving the look of a lot of the stuff in here. I'm loving the makeup bits that are in here. Like, it's like really great high-end brands, you know, like bareMinerals, NARS, HUDA, Laura Mercier, like can't beat that. That's just amazing. Loving the Yankee Candle, loving the little fragrance that we get there, the mask, and then the little kind of hand and hair thing we get. Like, it's a really great mix of products, and I'm loving like a lot of them are basically high-end products. Yeah, like they're all high-end products, which is amazing. So for that, I am like stoked about. I think it's great. I believe this box is going to sell out pretty quick, so if you do want to get your hands on it, then make sure you go over to Glossybox website right now and grab it, because it's going to sell out probably in minutes. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!